from the desirable village of Cotford, St Luke, and have the absolute pleasure of bringing to the market this well-presented end-of-terrace home, complete with garage and driveway parking and a private west-facing rear garden. Without further ado, ladies and gentlemen, welcome home. So, if you're interested in arranging a viewing for this lovely home, or maybe valuation on your own property, then please do get in touch.